Hey. I just wanted to check in on Lucas.
Yeah, now's not really a good time.
You didn't tell him what I told you, did you?
No.
Hey. What are you doing there? Forgot how loud Miss snoring was. Lucas, I'm really sorry for all the pain that I've caused.
Are you moving back in? I won't do anything stupid again. He can't he?
There's a few things that we need to discuss first.
Well, first, I need to go to the shops. You walking?
Lucas.
Dad, just relax. I'll speak to you at work.
You and Frankie make a cute couple. Don't agree?
No, of course I do. Frankie's amazing. But a mate of mine's offered me some work in Aberdeen.
So you're leaving?
Listen, Claire killed Bobby. I know she did. And what about if she comes after me next? Or even worse, what about Frankie? I think it's just best if I go. I don't know how to tell her.
I'll get you that drink.
I mean, they've literally just got together and now he's leaving. I remember when Robbie left, though, I just cried myself to sleep for a week.
Those witches really screwed up all our relationships, didn't they?
Yeah.
Come on.
Tom has still not got back to me about that new phone for Steph. Her birthday's only in a few weeks. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Perry, actually, you might not hear from him for a while.
Why?
I'm sorry, Perry, I was told not to say anything, but as Steph's mum, I think you need to know.
Know what?
Tom's in Longmere.
Prison? Wait, what's he done?
I'm so sorry, Perry. I think you should call Cindy.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Grace, you've been arrested under Section 2 of the Modern Slavery Act 2015. You don't have to say anything to harm you face settlement to requested subpoenas to Victor Riley Court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
Where's Curtis? Really thought we had something.
Sorry, darling, won't my talk.
Did that really just happen?
Don't worry about being rough with her. She lied about having cancer.
Always knew you were weak. Get off me.
I can't believe that it's over. Claire and Grace are gone.
No, I know. Get the tunes on, Dylan. We're celebrating.
Yeah, but remember, Claire and Grace have been arrested before.
Yeah, but this is different. You saw them.
This means that Robbie can actually come back, you know. And that means that you can stay too, right?
I suppose I could be convinced to stay.
And you know what? I'm just so glad that we're not going to be having to, like, look over our shoulder from now on.
So are you